Let's go. Welcome to the last episode of Season 4. It's your host, Coach Carroll. This is the Sales Factory. You made it. We binge watched it. We binge listened, I guess. You didn't really watch it. You listened. We made it all the way through. We are here in the last episode, and it's a short one. Listen, I just want to wrap this thing up. I want to congratulate you. I want to thank you. I want to show some appreciation to you for listening to the entire season of the podcast. I hope you took lots of things away from it. Listen, now is your opportunity to help me make this thing better. I want to hear a DM from you. I want to see a comment on my Instagram. Send me a Snapchat message, however, a carrier pigeon. I don't fucking care. However you want to get it to me, let me know what you think was good, what you think was bad, what we should improve on. Do you like the format? Do you not like the format? Because at the end of the day, it's all about what you guys want, right? Like, I do this for you. This is not for me. I enjoy it. I truly do. It's been a blast hanging out here in the Create Makerspace Studios in Lexington, Kentucky. I hope you guys enjoyed Season 4. My team and I worked tirelessly on this. We got some great interviews. We had some great feedback. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it, because I really enjoyed it. With this thing, this whole Coach Carroll thing, it's being like a passion of mine. I'm super excited to bring this to a close, to wrap up Season 4 on this outro. Again, we had Ethan Adams in episode 10, Nicole over in episode 8, Marc Carella on episode 6, Richard Blank on episode 5, Eric Trice on episode 3. We want to give a quick shout out to all of them. Thank you guys for being guests on the podcast. I'm super excited to roll out Season 5, but again, we would love to hear your feedback. So if you've listened to this, you've made it all the way through, send me an email, send me something, and then also make sure you go and check out all the resources that are available at CoachCarroll.com. I did want to make this podcast super pitchy. We're not selling anything. I just wanted to make sure that you have all of the information that I could possibly get to you, because at the end of the day, my mission, as I said in the beginning of this, is to weaponize the next generation of business leaders and their teams. So that being said, we'll wrap up this season. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much for listening, and until next time, hustle. It's worth it, baby. It's been real here in the Sales Factory. I'm Coach Carroll. We'll catch you next season.